Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Black River, and this is what Black River looks like after the hurricane passed through. Completely destroyed. Now the government has announced that it's putting the UDC in charge of rebuilding Black River, and they're going to start with cleaning up all of this debris that you see all over the place. They have set up a mini dump where they are going to take all the debris and put it there and try to get the town back up and running again. Now, a very serious question has to be asked. Should critical infrastructure like the hospital be put back at the same location? The hospital was built over 100 years ago, maybe even longer than that, maybe 200 years. And it's built on the coast. Very nice view, very scenic, but it's built right beside the sea. It's literally built on the seawall. The sand, it's right up on the sea. So something as critical as a hospital, should you put it back at that spot? But those are questions that will be asked and answered over time. So today we are going to talk about the first step in rebuilding Black River, which is to clean it up. Get rid of all of this debris. Now, of all the towns affected by the hurricane, Black River suffered the most damage. Other areas like White House suffered damage, but those are more considered districts. We're talking a town. Black River is the capital of St. Elizabeth. Now, the only thing that saves St. Elizabeth is that they have two other towns, major towns that can step up and allow the parish to operate efficiently. Santa Cruz is actually bigger than Black River. Many say it could be the capital of Black River, and it's far inland. But the town of St. Elizabeth lost its capital. Sorry, the parish of St. Elizabeth lost its capital. But the parish is still functioning because they have other major towns. Now, we are going to give you an update on the UDC taking over things in Black River. The Urban Development Corporation has been placed in charge of major cleanup operation in Black River, St. Elizabeth, as the town works to recover from the impact of Hurricane Melissa. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness made the announcement during a visit to the parish capital, describing the task as massive but necessary to restore normal life. He said the UDC has been specifically assigned to Black River because of its experience in managing complex urban operations and coordinating large-scale logistics. The cleanup will focus on removing hurricane debris that has blocked roads, filled public spaces, and disrupted business activity. A major priority is Independence Park, which has become a temporary dumping site since the storm. The government plans to relocate the debris so the park can return to its role as a safe open space for the community, especially ahead of holiday and New Year events. Operations will begin in the town's central business district before expanding to surrounding areas, including nearby schools, churches, clinics, and other public facilities. Restoring clear passage for vehicles and pedestrians has been identified as a top priority, as access is essential for commerce, emergency response, and daily life. The Prime Minister stressed that this UDC-led effort will run separately from the wider national cleanup campaign being coordinated by members of Parliament, ensuring efficiency and avoiding overlap. He also noted that the operation will be carefully managed to deliver maximum results within a limited budget. In addition to debris removal, crews will carry out sanitation measures to reduce health risks and will sort materials to allow for metal recovery and recycling, supporting environmental sustainability. Residents and business owners have been urged to cooperate with cleanup teams and follow safety instructions. Government officials say the goal is not to clear debris, but to help Black River. The government officials say the goal is not just to clear debris, but to help Black River move confidently toward recovery, resilience, and a full return to normalcy. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Now, based on what we're looking at, they have a major task ahead of themselves. But the UDC, I think, is fully capable of cleaning up this town and rebuilding it. They do a lot of infrastructure work around Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.